Fast tracking patent applications in India. Hi, I am Swati Tiwari from ANS IP Management Services, here to talk about how you can fast track your patent applications in India. First of all, let's talk about what is a patent. A patent is an exclusive right granted to an inventor for his patented invention to exclude others from making, using, selling, offering for sale his patented invention for a period of 20 years from the date of priority or filing, whichever is earlier. The three basic criteria for getting a patent are novelty, inventive step, and industrial application or commercial applicability. An invention is said to be novel only when such invention is not published anywhere in the world, or is not patented anywhere in the world, or is not publicly known, or imported or sold anywhere in the world. That is, the subject matter has not fallen in the public domain, or it does not form part of the state of the art. Inventive step means a feature of an invention that involves technical advancement over the existing knowledge or having economic significance or both, and that makes the invention not obvious to a person skilled in the art. The commercial applicability means that the invention can be commercialized to gain profits or monetary benefits. The patent procedure usually comprises patent filing, patent publication, patent examination, patent grant, and maintenance. Once a patent application is filed in the patent office, this application by itself gets published in the Patent Office Journal after 18 months from the date of filing. The Patent Office publishes the journal on every Friday. In these journals, the applications whose 18 months period is over is published with the bibliographic information along with the abstract or a figure. Anybody can get access to these published applications by visiting the official website of the Indian Patent Office. After publication phase, the patent application gets examined. The process of patent examination is also known as patent prosecution. The Patent Office consists of examiners who are the experts from various fields of technology. These are the persons who examine a patent application. A first examination report, also known as FER, is prepared by the examiner and sent to the applicant or their authorized patent agent. This procedure is undertaken by the Patent Office only after a request for examination is made by the applicant or through their authorized patent agent by filing Form 18 and the official fees. The time period to file the request for examination is 48 months from the date of filing. The applicant has to wait till he receives the first examination report for his filed patent. The applicant has to file a response to this FER within 6 months from the notification date. Then there may be a second examination report, or the application may get scheduled for a hearing, or the application may get a grant. Once all the objections are overcome by the applicant, then the patent application gets granted. The procedure of patent filing till grant usually takes as long as 3 to 4 years or minimum of 2 to 3 years in India, when filed through the normal way. Once the examination process is completed, the patent application is granted. Recently, there has been an amendment in the Patent Act and rules by virtue of which the patent prosecution procedure can be fast-tracked, or the time period for patent filing to patent grant can be reduced. The three ways are early publication, expedite examination, and PPH, that is patent prosecution highway. Early publication. Actually, publication is a mandatory step of the patent grant procedure, except in certain cases. Usually, a patent application is published after 18 months from the date of filing or the date of priority of the application, whichever is earlier. There is a provision to reduce this 18-month duration to only 1 month. This can be done by filing a request for early publication as per subsection 2 of section 11A by filing Form 9 and official fees. Once this request is filed, the patent application gets published after 1 month from the date of making this request. This is the one way of reducing the 18 months time period for the patent grant procedure. Expedite examination. As per the latest amendments, there is a provision of filing an expedite examination as per Rule 24C of the Indian Patent Act and rules. The request for expedite examination is filed in Form 18A but under certain conditions. As per the Rule 2019 amendments to Rule 24C, the applicants who can request a fast-track review of their patent applications are where a PCT application is also filed for the respective Indian patent application and wherein India is indicated as the competent International Searching Authority ISA or an International Preliminary Authority IPEA in their patent application, or the applicant is a startup, or the applicant is a small entity as defined in Rule 2FA of the Principal Rules, or the applicant has female natural person, or the applicant is a department of the government, or the applicant is a statutory institution owned, controlled by the government, or the applicant is a government company, or the applicant is an institution wholly or substantially financed by the government, or the applicant belongs to specially notified sectors by the government, or the applicant is eligible under a bilateral agreement between IPO and a foreign patent office. The request for expedite procedure is made only after publication of the patent application, depending on whether an application for an early publication has been filed or not. But if no request was made for publication, then it is mandatory to request for publication. The patent grant procedure through this route is usually completed within 12 months and could take as short as 6 to 7 months. A request for examination filed under normal route can also be converted to expedite examination as per Rule 24C(2) by paying the relevant fees and submitting requisite documents as required under Sub-Rule 1, which are mentioned above. This request should be filed before generation of the FER. Please note that in order to avail the expedite route through Rule 24C(1)(a), the PCT application should already be filed within 12 months from the date of filing of the Indian patent application. For converting the normal route to expedite examination route, Patent Office will ask for the reasons for such requests. The reasons could be commercialization, licensing, opposition, or infringement. Patent Prosecution Highway or PPH is a way of reducing the time taken for patent prosecution in India, wherein common practices are being followed by different countries for prosecuting a patent application. It is an initiative taken by Indian Patent Office by signing a treaty between the patent offices of various countries by which they share information amongst themselves. The information could be the grant strategy undertaken by the Patent Office which has initiated the examination of patent application first. Further, the information could also relate to publication, citations, legal statuses, etc. of the concerned patent application. Currently, India is a part of a bilateral PPH program with Japan for an initial period of 3 years that commenced on 21st November 2019. Such an application must be as per Rule 24 LJ of the Patent Rules 2003 when filed in India. However, the applicant can file a request for expedite examination on Form 18 only after the request filed on Form 5.1 given in the PPH guideline for assigning special status gets accepted by the IPO. IPO is accepting only 100 applications per year on the first come first served basis. If the application is filed in Japan, it must be accompanied by Form 5.2. Well, it has been a strategy to delay the prosecution of patent application in pharmaceutical as well as life sciences fields where continuous research is taking place and which needs much more time to come to a final product stage. In that case, a normal way of prosecution is preferred where the request for examination is filed much lately before the expiry of 48 months. In this way, the patent prosecution can be delayed to get optimal time for completing the research work. Filing patent of additions, also known as CIPs, is also another way of delaying patent prosecution and getting more time for completing the research. Other reasons are IP watch or infringement, for which examination of a patent can also be delayed. Thank you for watching this video. Contact ANS IP Management Services for any IPR related queries at info@ansipms.com. You can also visit our website at www.ansipms.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more information on Indian IPR. Thanks.